Howdy guys, welcome to you, or welcome back to the channel if you're a regular viewer. Always good to have you here. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be going over the proprietary trading firms that were essentially leading the way and really stood out in our eyes throughout November as some of the best prop firms in the industry over the last month. Now, if you've seen these videos before, every month we do extensive research across the entire industry regarding reputable and trustworthy prop firms, so you don't have to. And we've put these into a list of top 10 for the month of November, and that's exactly what we'll dive into in this video. Now, quick disclaimer, our rankings are based on our personal experiences with these companies, as well as considering broader feedback from the entire trading industry and community. But as always, do your own due diligence when you're looking into getting funded by a prop firm. Now, we won't be going into depth on each firm listed. We'll be here for hours. We'll give a very brief overview of each firm, but just so you're aware, all of our in-depth reviews on each prop firm that we list is also on our website and on the YouTube channel here, so you can check those out. But without further ado, let's dive in and take a look at the top 10 for the month. As always, stick around until the end of the video. We do have exclusive discount codes from every single featured firm that we cover that I'm sure you won't want to miss. So let's jump right into our roundup of the top 10 prop trading firms for November 2025. All right, kicking off our November rankings at number 10 is TX3 Funding, a steadily expanding prop trading firm that's continued to earn trader confidence through its transparent structure and commitment to long-term trader development. Now, as mentioned, we're not going in depth on any of these prop firms in this video. Really quick overview though, they were founded in October 2021. They're based out of Florida, USA, and their guidance under CEO Jamal Hollingsworth has helped shape TX3 into a platform known for its clarity, consistency, and growth-focused environment. They offer a very clean, straightforward lineup of funding options, including 2 different 2-step challenges and a 1-step challenge. Each program is designed with very realistic profit targets and clearly defined objectives, giving traders a fair and achievable path toward funded capital. Now, depending on your program, your account sizes will range from $5,000 to $300,000 USD, and traders who perform consistently and manage risk effectively can take advantage of the firm's scaling opportunities, allowing them to gradually increase their capital base over time. One of the hallmarks of TX3 Funding is its emphasis on simplicity and ease of use. The firm partners with a Tier 1 liquidity provider, and that ensures that all traders experience simulated real market conditions that closely resemble real live execution, and all trading is carried out on the Match Trader platform, widely appreciated for its sleek interface, execution speeds, and all the built-in tools that you need to stay organized and perform effectively. Let's jump on over to the broader community sentiment. Of course, Trustpilot being a great place to come and see some external viewpoints. Not always there to be positive though is Trustpilot, but always worth having a look at the broader industry sentiment. And we always like to see this as well. Is the prop firm in there responding to the positive, the negative? It shows that they really take care in their brand, and clearly TX3 Funding has their best interests in mind. So getting in there and responding to some of those comments, which we love to see. But as we can see from over 4,000 reviews, a really good median score, and we anticipate that to continue with TX3 Funding growing in the industry. Coming in at number 9 on our November list is Rebels Funding, a rising name in the prop trading industry. They've made a very strong impression in a relatively short period of time. They were founded in May 2023. And they are based out of Bratislava, the Slovak Republic, and they've rapidly built momentum within the trading space thanks to its wide range of funding options and dedication to trader success. Now, the firm offers a fairly diverse selection of different funding programs, 5 in fact, all designed to suit different trading preferences, styles, experience, and strategies. As we can see, lots of different variables here. Account sizes will range from 1,000 up to 320,000 depending on the program, and every single program includes scaling opportunities, so traders here can grow as they demonstrate consistency and discipline. Rebels Funding, they deliver a professional and realistic trading environment. They also partner with a Tier 1 liquidity provider, and traders benefit from using RF Trader, the firm's custom-built, user-friendly trading platform, and it's designed to really streamline performance tracking, enhance overall usability, and keep everything in their ecosystem, which is one of the key parts that differentiates them from some other prop firms out there. Again, not going into depth, we've done in-depth reviews on Rebels Funding and talked about their programs. Let's have a look at the broader industry sentiment. And from nearly 2,000 reviews at the time of recording, really solid score, lots of positive feedback. Again, go through, do your due diligence, take a look, the good, the bad, and everything in between. It's all worth considering. But overall, the sentiment in Rebels funding within the industry is very good, and we anticipate that to continue. Moving on to number 8 for the month, it is FunderPro, a firm that has steadily carved out an exceptional reputation in the prop trading space, staying true to its core principles being consistency, transparency, and a trader-first mindset. They were founded in February 2023. They're based in Malta, and they operate under the leadership of CEO Gary Mullen, who has single-handedly almost helped them shape a platform that's both accessible for newcomers and scalable for seasoned traders. Now, they offer a very well-structured suite of funding models, including 2 different 2-step challenges and a 1-step, and each evaluation is designed to strike kind of the right balance between opportunity and accountability, encouraging traders to develop their skills while offering a very clear and realistic path to live capital. Now, account sizes range from $5,000 to $200,000. Once again, scaling opportunities available for those who consistently demonstrate sound risk management and profitability over time. Once again, not going into depth and looking at all the objectives here, but very realistic to go on and get funded. FunderPro, they also partner with a tier 1 liquidity provider, and FunderPro supports MT5, CTrader, and TradeLocker, arguably the 3 industry favorites known for all their intuitive interfaces, execution speeds, and extensive analytical capabilities. So great tech, great variation in their programs, and that's why FunderPro is one of the forefront prop firms in the space. Let's have a look at the broader industry sentiment, and kind of limited reviews there, but anticipate that to continue to grow. Once again, not going to read out over 1,000 reviews for you. Go through, do your due diligence and take a look. The good, the bad, and everything in between. Another prop firm that's in there in Trustpilot, responding to some of these comments, which shows, again, they value their brand and what people are saying about them. And that, for us, is a really positive thing. So FunderPro, firmly on our list once again, and for good reason. Landing at number 7 in our November rankings is Finay, a relatively new prop trading firm, but they've quickly built a name for itself through their innovation and competitive funding options, and once again, a strong focus on trader development. Another prop firm founded in 2023, April to be precise, and they are based out of the Czech Republic. Finay provides a diverse selection of 4 funding models, including 2 2-step challenges, a 1-step, and a 3-step challenge, each carefully designed to cater for different levels of experience, trading styles, and of course, risk appetites. Go through and take a look. Their objectives to getting funded, very realistic. We have done in-depth reviews on Finay as well. And if you want 20% off your first challenge, there you go. There it is for you there, guys, right there. And of course, we have discount codes available as well. So make sure you get your hands on those. Now, in terms of infrastructure, Finay collaborates with Purple Trading Seychelles. That's their brokerage partner, and that ensures reliable execution, real market conditions. And traders can choose from quite a robust lineup of platforms as well, including MT4, MT5, and CTrader. Let's have a look at some broader industry sentiment. I know I'm being quite brief in terms of explaining the prop firms, but again, check out the in-depth reviews. Finay over on Trustpilot, they are slowly getting more and more reviews, but overall, the reviews that they have been given, very, very positive. Again, good, bad, and everything in between, worth considering. But if you're interested in being funded by Finay, then I would highly suggest, as always, doing your own due diligence and taking a look. But overall, they're doing wonderful things in the industry, and we anticipate them to continue on that path. Moving on next is iFunds, a fast-rising prop trading firm that's quickly gaining recognition for its no-nonsense approach to trader funding. They were founded in March 2024. They are based out of St. Lucia, and iFunds has positioned itself as a bit of a go-to platform for traders who want to skip evaluation processes and start trading with live capital immediately. In a space with complex multi-phase challenges being the norm, iFunds stands out for its streamlined instant funding model, making the road to capital as direct and as accessible as possible. Does this mean it's suitable for every single trader? Not necessarily, but with account sizes ranging from $2,500 to $500,000, the firm does accommodate a broad range of traders, from those who are just entering the space to experienced pros looking to scale with serious capital. Now, the program's designed around speed, transparency, and ease of use. iFunds partners with a tier 1 liquidity provider, and they allow their traders to execute on MetaTrader 5. So lots of really positive stuff. again, if you're interested in being funded by iFunds, always go through and do some more research, due diligence, check out our in-depth reviews on the website and on the channel here. But iFunds, they're doing great things and certainly creating a very strong reputation for themselves. Over here on Trustpilot, a little bit limited in reviews, so as always, you take that with a grain of salt. But good, bad, and everything in between is always worth considering. And overall, the response seems to be very, very positive. So again, go in and have a look at iFunds. But they are doing some great things, getting plenty of funded traders. And let's see, and hopefully we anticipate that to continue. All right, we're halfway through for this month. And coming in at the halfway spot on November rankings is Hola Prime, a expanding prop trading firm that continues to have positive waves for its modern infrastructure, trader-centric philosophy, and impressive international growth. They were founded in August 2024. They have rapidly evolved into a major player in the prop trading world. They have operational hubs basically all around the globe: Hong Kong, Dubai, Cyprus, India, and the UK. So the firm does truly offer a global footprint that caters to traders from basically all regions and backgrounds. Now, they have an extensive lineup of funding programs, including 2 different 2-step challenges. They have 2 1-step challenges and an instant funding option, giving traders plenty of flexibility to choose an evaluation path that aligns with their experience level, strategy, and of course, their risk appetite. Go through and have a look at the website here. You can see more about it. I know I'm going through quite quickly here for you. They also support professional trading platforms, including MT4, MT5, DXTrade, CTrader, and Match Trader. All right, let's go and have a look at the broader community sentiment. And overall, pretty good. They have a growing amount of reviews, some good, some bad, and everything in between. But once again, another firm that's in there giving responses, and that shows that they value the image and the reputation in the space. So Hola Prime doing good stuff. We anticipate that to continue. All right, taking number 4 spot in our November rankings is FTMO, arguably one of the most respected and recognizable names in the prop trading space. We've covered them extensively in the past. They've been in the industry for over 10 years now. They're based out of Prague, Czech Republic, and they've arguably become a cornerstone of the industry, setting the standard for transparency, structure, trader development, and have been a true pioneer in the space. The firm's earned a great reputation for professionalism and reliability, serving as a launch pad for traders around the world looking to prove themselves and grow with real capital and have a successful career in the space. They're best known for its classic 2-step evaluation challenge, a very well-crafted program that's created many, many funded traders. Account sizes range anywhere from 10K to 200K, very clear profit targets, drawdown rules that help traders develop sound habits. Those who pass the evaluation do gain access to FTMO's scaling plan, which allows them to gradually increase their capital on long-term performance, making the journey sustainable and rewarding. And FTMO partners with a tier 1 liquidity provider as well. Traders can operate on MT4, MT5, CTrader, or DXTrade, 4 of the most respected platforms in the trading world. So plenty of platform flexibility and really full control over your style, strategy, and benefit from all the tools for analysis, order management, and risk tracking that you need. All right, we'll see that the broader industry sentiment tends to agree with our observations from FTMO. At the time of recording, over 33,000 reviews, a median score of 4.8, and just a huge array of very positive experiences. Again, no one's immune from these negative comments. So again, go through, take a look, and have a proper research on your own. But as we can see, FTMO, a pioneer in the space and truly one of the leaders in the entire industry. All right, we're into the top 3, and landing at number 3 in our November rankings is the 5%ers, one of the most seasoned and trusted names in the prop trading industry, along with FTMO. They were founded in January 2016, so we're about to celebrate their 10-year anniversary, which is an achievement all on its own. They've got firms operating in both Israel and London, and they've built an international reputation for its long-standing commitment to trader success. So over nearly a decade, the 5%ers has consistently stood up and stood out for its focus on transparency, sustainable growth, and long-term development. Now, in terms of the trader programs, the very clear emphasis on trader progression rather than quick hype or gimmicks. The firm offers a trio of funding models, and this is being tailored to different styles, your levels of experience, and of course your risk appetite. Account sizes ranging anywhere from 5K to 200K, depending on the program that you elect to go with. This kind of structure supports disciplined trading that leads to longevity in the industry, one of the key values of the 5%ers. And to maintain high standards, the 5%ers partners with a tier 1 liquidity provider as well. And all trading is conducted on the MetaTrader 5 platform. So that's a very brief overview of the 5%ers. Let's have a look at the broader industry sentiment. And nearly a perfect score, same as FTMO. A little bit less reviews, but nearly 20,000 people giving positive comments. 93% of those giving it 5 stars. So again, this is not to say that Trustpilot is the ultimate indicator of a prop firm, but certainly if you have that many people giving positive sentiment, you are clearly doing something right in the industry, and the 5%ers have been doing that for a long time. All right, moving on to our top 2, and a firm that has found themselves entrenched in that position for the last few months is Funded Next, a powerhouse in the prop trading world, one of the most rapidly growing firms in the global market. They've been in the industry since March 2022. They're based out of Dubai, UAE, and they've achieved explosive growth in just a few years, becoming a top-tier destination for traders seeking funding, support, and long-term development. So a true international presence, rapidly expanding trader base, they continue to redefine what's possible in the modern trading world. Now, the firm offers 2 different 2-step challenges. They offer a 1-step challenge and instant funding as well. You can operate on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and MatchTrader. All trading is executed through FN Markets, which is Funded Next's own exclusive brokerage, and that ensures fast execution speeds and real market conditions to provide a highly authentic trading environment, all within their ecosystem. So if you want to go through and check out the program details, you can have a look on the website, or again, check out our in-depth reviews. There's plenty between the two, but overall they're doing phenomenal things, getting plenty of funded traders through, and that's a true sign of a great firm. Let's have a look at the broader industry sentiment, and astoundingly over 50,000 reviews with an incredible median score. So it kind of speaks for itself that they're doing something very good in the industry. Not always, no one's immune from the bad stuff, but go through, take a look, and I think you'll find that overall the sentiment for Funded Next is extremely positive, and for very good reason. And topping our list for November 2025 is Funding Pips, a firm that just continues to lead the pack through a winning combination of transparency, innovation, and trader-focused design. They came in to the industry in August 2022. They're also based out of Dubai, UAE. There's just something in the water in Dubai. And they've quickly become one of the most recognized and trusted names in proprietary trading. They do offer a diverse range of funding programs as well. Traders can choose from 2 different 2-step challenges, 1-step or instant funding. Account sizes do range from $5,000 to $100,000, and they offer a manageable entry point as well as lots of potential growth. Now, consistent performers benefit from scaling opportunities, so you can grow your capital base and have great longevity in the industry. In terms of platforms, Funding Pips supports MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, and CTrader. And they've produced so many funded traders that really emphasizes how well they've done in the space over the last few years. Let's see if the broader industry sentiment agrees with us to wrap this one up. And again, these leading firms, you can see they've got something in common, and it's a ton of reviews, a ton of success, and lots of really positive sentiment. So look, over 37,000 reviews, 82% of those giving 5 stars and positive feedback. Again, sound like a broken record, but the good, the bad, and everything in between is always worth considering. But if you go through and have a look at Funding Pips, you will see that a really well-balanced array of funding programs, lots of successful traders, and that's positioned them at the forefront of the industry. And we do anticipate that to continue. And that concludes our month of November ranking of the top 10 prop trading firms. Again, it's based on our personal and first-hand experiences with these companies and really what they've been doing in the industry of late. If any of these highlighted firms piqued your interest, we really encourage you to look at those in-depth reviews that are available on the website and on the channel here. You can find direct links to these reviews in the description, along with those exclusive discount codes for each prop trading firm, as we mentioned earlier. Make sure you get your hands on those. And also, guys, don't hesitate to share some of your feedback, or if you have a different perspective on any of the prop trading firms mentioned, we wouldn't be upset. We actually love to hear your input. And one last thing before we wrap up, if you did find this video insightful and hopefully enjoyable, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. And by doing so, you'll receive updates when we release more videos about the prop trading firm industry in the very near future. As always, great to have your viewership, guys. Happy and successful trading, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.